Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error. PlayStation SDK Runtime cannot start because it is missing in Death Stranding 2 on the beach. First, close the game if it's currently running. Now open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Death Stranding 2 on the beach. Go to Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. This will open the game installation folder. Now scroll down and locate Install PSPC SDK Runtime. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, press any key to close the window. Now locate PSPC SDK Runtime Installer. Double-click it and let the installation complete. After that, run the next file, PSPC SDK Runtime Manager. Double-click to open it. Even if it doesn't install anything, just ignore it. Now go back and launch the game. You should no longer receive the error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.